In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Crunchyroll gift card. If you've received a Crunchyroll gift card or prepaid code and you want to apply it to your account, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can redeem it without confusion and make sure the credit or subscription is added correctly. To begin, open your web browser and go to crunchyroll.com/redeem. This is the official Crunchyroll redemption page, and it's the place where you'll enter your gift card or prepaid code. Once the page loads, you'll be ready to sign in. Next, log into your Crunchyroll account. Enter your email address in the login field, then type your password and continue into your account. Make sure you're signing in to the correct account before moving forward, especially if you have more than one email address. That way, the redeemed credit or subscription will go to the account you actually want to use. After logging in, you'll see the area where you can enter your gift card or prepaid code. Carefully type the code exactly as it appears on your card or in your email. Take your time here because even a small typo can cause an error. It's a good idea to double check that there are no extra spaces before or after the code, and make sure every letter and number has been entered correctly. Once you've confirmed the code looks right, click Continue. On some screens, you may need to press a button labeled Continue. This will move you to the next part of the redemption process. After that, you'll be asked to apply the gift card toward a subscription. Choose the premium plan you want to use. Depending on what's available, you may see options like Fan, Mega Fan, or Ultimate Fan. Select the plan that best fits your needs. If you're not sure which one to choose, just read the plan names carefully and pick the one you want to activate with your gift card balance or prepaid code. When your selection is made, the final step is to confirm the redemption. Click the button labeled Redeem, or use the Confirm button shown on your screen. After that, the credit or subscription will be added to your Crunchyroll account. And that's it. Your Crunchyroll gift card has now been redeemed, and your account should reflect the added subscription or credit. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment and check your account status again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.